This one is more of a theoretical question in which there is no numerical, and being physics, no numerical simply implies its theory. So first it state Fleming's left-hand rule. Secondly, it list three characteristic features of the electric current used in our homes. What is a fuse? Why is it called a safety device? Why is it necessary to earth metallic electric appliances? So Fleming's left-hand rule states if we stretch the forefinger, middle finger and the thumb of our left hand, remember left hand, Fleming's left-hand rule, mutually perpendicular to each other, forefinger, middle finger and thumb should be mutually perpendicular to each other, which will be shown in the figure on next page, such that the next slide, such that the forefinger indicates the direction of the magnetic field. Forefinger, direction of magnetic field. Remember which finger denotes what. Otherwise, answer would come out to be wrong when you apply Fleming's left-hand rule. Middle finger indicates the direction of current, and the thumb indicates the direction of motion of conductor. And secondly, apply the applications. So appliances to be connected in parallel. Each appliance has a separate switch to on off the flow of current through it, like we have switches. It is stated here as well, switch, and fuse connected to avoid damage. This was the part why fuse is required. A fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electric circuit. Overcurrent protection of an electric circuit. Its essential component is a metal wire or strip that melts when too much current flows through it. This is the reason as to how fuse protects when there is overcurrent, thereby stopping or interrupting the current. So it is also called a safety device. Fuse is also called a safety device. The metallic body of electrical appliances is connected to the earth wire so that any leakage of electric current is transferred to the ground. This prevents severe electric shock to the user. That is why earthing of the electric appliance is necessary. This is the answer to our fourth part, where it was asked why earthing of the electrical appliances is necessary. So it states that the metallic body of electrical appliances connected to the wire so that any leakage of electric current is transferred to the ground and the person survives that attack. At least there is less damage. And this was the diagram for Fleming's left-hand rule. Thumb denotes force and middle finger magnetic field and the other current. So that's the answer.